2023 Volvo C40 Recharged Twin Ultimate Price. 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged. The 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged is a vehicle that is in the crossover EV line that offers a fresh and sporty look, as well as being environmentally friendly. The Volvo C40 Recharged 2023 is driven by a 78 kWh battery combined with two electric motors capable of producing 402 horsepower. The new Volvo C40 2023 has stiff competition with several competitors such as the 2023 Tesla Model Y. Volvo C40 Recharged 2023. The latest generation of Volvo C40 Recharged 2023 is also a vehicle that has received many upgrades and gets many features and technologies such as the presence of several safety features, a good infotainment system, and a cabin covered with premium leather-free materials. Not only that, the 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged also offers a good driving impression and produces a captivating performance, so that driving on urban roads feels pleasant. In its latest generation, the new Volvo C40 only offers one trim option, namely the 2023 Volvo C40 Twin Ultimate, which offers a good driving impression, exterior appearance, and luxurious interior. New Volvo C40 Recharged 2023 Exterior. Outward appearance of the 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged takes the coupe concept though as an SUV that looks similar to its sibling new XC40 2023. Both have the difference in the cut roof, and offer large 20-inch alloy wheels. At the front, the 2023 C40 Recharged is decorated with cool LED headlights, and gets a number of curves that look sporty. Interestingly, the 2023 Volvo C40 EV offers glossy black windows and mirror caps, and a body-colored closed grille. At the rear also gets LED tail lights with a futuristic and cool design, and the roof is equipped with a panoramic moonroof which gives a fresh impression and lighting in the cabin. 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged Interior. Not only cool on the exterior, Volvo also offers the new C40 Recharged 2023 a luxurious interior and is equipped with a leather-free cabin material to reflect a vehicle that is not only zero emissions but also environmentally friendly. Although it does not use leather, the interior of the Volvo C40 Recharged 2023 is equipped with premium and soft materials, namely by using soft recycled microfiber materials. In the driver's seat, the 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged offers good visibility with the seat being placed higher. The interior of this car also gets a good infotainment system with a large 12-inch touch screen. Not only that, the C40 Recharged 2023 cabin is equipped with an adequate small storage area and a large rear cargo area. As a vehicle that has a two-row seat configuration, the cabin feels spacious and comfortable to accommodate up to 5 adult passengers. 2023 C40 Recharged Engine. As an EV, the new Volvo C40 Recharged 2023 offers only one powertrain option, which comes from a battery that is fed to two electric motors to produce 402 horsepower and a maximum torque of 487 lb-ft. Power from the two electric motors is driven through a single-speed transmission and sent to all four wheels. The resulting performance is also very extraordinary, so you can drive this car at a pleasant speed and overtaking on the highway is not a difficult thing to do. Although the Volvo C40 Recharged 2023 is a fast car, Volvo limits your speed at 112 miles per hour for safety reasons. New C40 Recharged features and infotainment system. We feel that the 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged is a complete vehicle in all aspects. This car is also equipped with many advanced and complete features such as dual-zone climate control, heated steering wheel, 12-inch driver information screen, and rear-view mirror with automatic dimming system. All passenger seats are equipped with a heating system, while the front seats are equipped with power settings. In terms of the infotainment system, the 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged Twin Ultimate is equipped with Google Assistant, and everything is controlled via a 9-inch touchscreen. The cabin comfort of the new Volvo C40 is also increasingly felt thanks to the presence of a 13-speaker premium sound system from Harman Kardon. For other entertainment systems, Volvo provides a complete package that makes you feel at home for a long time in the cabin. Some of these features are YouTube Music, Spotify, and Apple Music, which you can get from the Google Play application. Android Auto. 2023 Volvo Recharged Twin Ultimate Price. The new 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged is in the EV line, which is inhabited by many premium electric-powered vehicles. However, the new C40 Recharged 2023 is able to offer a more rational price with all the features and technology it brings. The trim 2023 Volvo C40 Recharged Twin Ultimate will be priced at around $59,000, while its main competitor, the Tesla Model Y high-end, is priced at $63,500.